is why the Lamborghini SVJ sounds illegal at night. Turn volume. Verde Mantis Aventador SVJ. Only 900 ever made. One of 900 Aventador SVJ Rare Zero. 769 horsepower. V12. No turbos, no hybrid, just raw. 769 horsepower V12. V12 engine. Listen to that downshift. That's $500,000 talking. This color doesn't look real under streetlights. Verde Mantis Lamborghini 032 to 042, 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Active aero. This isn't for show. Built for the track, Lamborghini Aero 052 to 102. People don't buy Lambos for speed, they buy them for moments like this. Worth it? Supercar night. Follow for part 2. I'm taking this SVJ to redline. Part 2 tomorrow. SVJ part 2.